So, winter's back for a little bit this week. However, the real estate market is still continuing to warm up, and it did in March. Again, prices were up slightly, $12,895 for the month, or 1.15%. So the average price in March was $1,121,615. So you start seeing that steady climb, despite interest rates not being adjusted yet. Yes, there is forecast that for the rest of the year, towards the second half of the year, between June to December, interest rates should have some quantitative easing and lower a bit to stimulate the economy, including the real estate market. However, despite that, more buyers are buying. Why do I say that? Because the number of sales went up 17% to 6,560 sales for the month of March. And the number of active listings were also up 12.2%, another 1,357 listings, active listings. And solds as a percentage of the monthly listings also went up slightly, by a couple of percent approximately, to 52.65%. The number of days on the market went down to 29. So it's about a month of inventory. Again, in several neighborhoods now, there's a seller's market. However, don't be misguided, because it all depends on the amount of inventory, it depends on the pricing, it depends for what people can qualify. So, case in point, I was recently on an offer presentation, and there were 16 offers, even though the property was priced just under $2 million, and it ended up going for $389,000 above asking. Now, you may wonder what caused that, and how could there be that many buyers that could qualify for $2 million property? Well, there obviously were that night, and that was just like a couple of weeks ago, not even. So the point is, for the right property, the property was underpriced based on other recent market comparables, and the most recent market comparables have a very strong weight in terms of today's market value. The appraisers don't go back a year ago or 2 years ago and say, okay, well, that's the best comparable. They don't do that. So it's about the here and now. When you go get groceries, it's not what groceries were priced for a year ago. It's like today's price. That's the market value. And if people buy it, they buy it. And if they don't, they don't. But the reality is, people have to live somewhere. Keep in mind that real estate long-term is still your best investment. How does the March market for 2024 compare to the high point of February 2022? Well, for buyers, prices are still down over $200,000. In fact, $212,929 compared to their high point in February 2022. So, real estate is still an excellent long-term investment, and when it's a principal residence, it's 100% capital gains tax-free. You can't make a better investment than that. So, keep in the loop, and if you have any other real estate questions, we're always here to help. And remember our performance guarantees to help take the risk off of you, whether you're buying or whether you're selling. Peter Mazzuchin, the Actus Real Estate Group, and have a great month. Thank you.